Hello, folks. My name is Greg Chambers, and I'm a founder here at Affiliate Mentor, and I'm super excited to announce First Spark. It's a brand new section inside your Affiliate Mentor back office, and basically, it's meant to do two things. Number one, it's meant to help brand new people make their first Spark sale. A lot of people come in, they go through, the start here sections, the fast start, 3 videos there, the 3 videos of setup, even go to next steps and, basically start checking out the AI launch secrets and AI Kickstarter. And those are all fantastic resources. What we've done here is, we've brought together case studies from people who have actually made their first Spark sales. So again, as I was saying earlier, really there's kind of intention to two things. One is we want to show brand new people exactly how others have made their first Spark sales. And then we want to give, number two intention is people the ability to give back to their community, to shoot a quick video, to share forward, if you will, what worked great for them. And so this first Spark is broken in to 3 different parts. The first part is this intro section here, where there's just a general overview. And then, of course, when you go to the second part called Step 1, this is actually where the case studies are listed. And I just got to share with you guys, got to tell you that it's very, very, high quality information people are providing through their personal video and the response to the 5 survey questions, which we'll go over in the next section. But what you'll see in this, section in step 1, you'll see the different case studies. And, just here as an example, we have 5 to start with right out of the gate. And of course, we'll be collecting more over time. But, I would just encourage you to come over here and watch each of the case studies, take some notes, and actually really take in the information about how people, the steps they took to make their first sale. Because they're literally going to lay out exactly how they did it. You want to know how to make your first sale? Watch these and you'll find, people sharing their stories of exactly how they did it. And then, of course, the third part of the website here in First Spark is step 2. And basically, this is the section where, once you've made your first Spark sale, you're going to get a really cool badge like this one. And it will appear in your stats section. When you scroll down, it'll basically, appear here once you've made your first Spark sale. And then, the other thing is, if you take the time to shoot the 1 to 2 minute video and respond to these 5 survey questions we're going to go over here just in a minute, you're going to, receive 50,000 contest points in the current contest that we're in. So that's always a very nice feature. So let's just quickly read over the information that you'll get from members, or that you'll provide once you made your first sale. Number 1 is, where did your leads come from? They come from Facebook, TikTok, from your warm market, from an email ad. You just basically let people know where it came from. What was the message that you sent? Just provide that in number 2. And then number 3 is, how long did it take you to make your first sale? Some people make their first Spark sale literally in their first day or 2. Others, don't make their first Spark sale for 1 to 3 months. It doesn't really matter, but sharing how long it took you will provide guidance to others. So please include that information. Then let us know, if your first Spark member, did they upgrade to Core and VIP? Some will, some won't. It's just the way it goes, but it's great information to see. And if any insights you have, you can certainly write that there as well. And then number 5, this is a really great question, which, basically just it asks, what advice would you give to a brand new member about making their first Spark sale? And, just think about anything that, helped you. But did you go through, like the Spark AI Launch Secrets module? Did you watch maybe a training or a Facebook Live? Did you go through the AI Kickstarter? Whatever it was that helped you to make your first sale, share it here. And then, of course, number 6 is provide the video link. Now, if you have a access to YouTube or Vimeo, those are directly uploadable. You can send them directly there. However, if you use the video camera or your phone, perhaps, or it's some other format outside of Vimeo or YouTube, if it's an MP4 or something else, just email that over to support, and we'll get it out for you. So that's your first Spark review here in just a very short period of time. Again, if you're brand new, use this information to go out and make your first Spark sale. And if you've made your first Spark sale already, share back to your community, get something back, shoot a video, and answer those questions, and pay it forward in our community. Thanks very much, you guys. Make it a great one.